Welcome, in front of me is OPPO Find X8 and today I will tell you what to do if you forgot the screen lock password on your device. So the best thing that you could do is to try and remember your device's password. This would be the best option. In this case you will save yourselves time and also data on your phone. But if you can't do this, consider contacting OPPO support customer service center, and if you can prove the ownership of the device, they may help you with unlocking your device without resetting your data. But if you can't, then the other thing that you should consider is resetting your device. You can check our channel if you want to know how to reset your device through the recovery mode. This will delete all the data from your phone, but you'll be able to log into it again and set up a new screen lock. And the last option that you could do is that if you have Find My Device feature enabled on your phone, and you also added a Google account to your device, then you can remotely reset your phone and delete all the data without accessing recovery mode. You can do it using your Google account on your laptop, another phone, tablets, and so on. And I hope that these tips helped you. I hope that it solved your problem. And if it did, please let us know in the comments. Leave us a like if you liked the video. Subscribe and see you next time.